Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. Chris, the Lawn and Life. Just another simple video today. I'm starting to see a couple of small ant beds popping up in the yard, and I've also actually seen a couple ants in the house around my kitchen sink. There's a window above my kitchen sink, so I'm starting to see a few ants. So it's time to do a bug treatment. I've used other products, and I've used this before too. It's worked good for me last year. It's just a cutter, backyard bug control. It works really well. As always, this is a hose end. You can get it in different forms, granular or whatever. This is good for ants, fleas, ticks. I think it actually treats for grubs, Japanese beetles, fire ants, a bunch of different things. This 32 fluid ounces can treat up to 5,000 square feet. You can spray it directly on your lawn, or in just natural areas and stuff like that. A couple of rules with it, or not rules, just label what it says on the label. If you're going to spray it directly on the lawn, if you're just wanting surface insects, ants, you want to thoroughly wet your grass before applying it, and then don't water or mow for 24 hours after you apply. If you're wanting to treat stuff in the ground, under the ground, like grubs or something like that, you want to put it down and then thoroughly water in about 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch to get it down into the soil. So I already put down a grub treatment maybe a month ago or so. There's a video, I'll link to it. So I'm just wanting to treat for ants and just your general ticks and fleas in my backyard. It's a mess. I got a lot of trees, no grass really grows back there. It's a work in progress for sure. So I got my dog back there. I don't want ticks and stuff like that, and I want to treat around the area where I think I might be getting ants coming in the house. So this works really well, so let's go get started. Bryant, get in your house. Go. So that's the kitchen window I was talking about. So I'm thinking I haven't seen just a few, but every once in a while, maybe once or twice a year, I start seeing ants. So I like to spray this, and then we got just all this natural area that we're working on, and all this vegetation. It's a breeding ground for mosquitoes and fleas and ticks and stuff. So I like to come in and just spray all this, and usually have to do it once every 30 to 60 days. While most people say, ooh, I love your backyard, all the trees are shaded, us lawn care nuts, you probably agree, I hate it. I wish I had a nice, just flat yard with no trees, just grass, full of hot sun. I would prefer that. I got a quote for I'd say $8,000 to $10,000 or so, if I remember correctly, to get all these trees cut down, or most of the trees cut down. Can you hear that? My two daughters arguing. Anyway, yeah, I got a quote for $8,000 to $10,000 to get all these trees cut down, or most of them. So you got to have Lawn Care Nut and Lawn Whisperer subscribers to get that kind of money to get these trees cut down. course, you want to make sure that you... Are you drinking water from a bucket? Hey, that's what we did growing up, drink out of the water hose. You want to make sure you let it dry before any children or your pets go back out there. So I keep my dog Bryant in the cage for a little while. Now, I do have a normal pest control company that comes out every quarter and sprays everywhere. But I found doing this in the summertime, about every 30 to 45 days, it really pretty reduces the mosquitoes and stuff. My kids like to go play out in the backyard, and I got my dog back there, so I don't want ticks and stuff like that. So if you do this in between, if you have regular pest control, about every 30 to 45 days, I can tell if I've gone longer than that, because you start seeing mosquitoes. If you do this, it's really helped me keep mosquitoes and stuff down where my kids and family can go play in the backyard. Now, I'll link this cutter that I like in the description below. There's plenty of other good brands, though. You don't have to get this one, but I've just had a lot of success with this. So that's it, guys. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a comment, thumbs up, thumbs down, what you like or dislike about the video. I appreciate you watching, guys. This is Chris with The Lawn and Life. Everybody have a great day.